today I want to teach all the kids to how to procedurally do the super brain yoga. And this super brain yoga is very useful in boosting the creativity for your left brain and the right brain. And also it increases your immune system and also improves the flow of the pranic energy throughout your body. So this super brain yoga is very useful for you, and I want all the kids to do it procedurally, okay? And every day if you do it, automatically your left brain and right brain will get very much activated. Okay, this is very useful. Normally the squats what we call is actually a super brain yoga. But there is a procedural way to do it. So today I'm going to explain you. So HavishAadhya, please do stand up. Now when you're doing this, the married people, adults also can do this. Married people will turn to north side. You have to face north side, and the unmarried people will face east side. So both of you turn to east facing. Now after turning to east facing, what you have to do is look at these two fingers, okay, the thumb and the index finger. Using these two fingers only, you will be holding the earlobes, where the earrings where you put it, okay, that is where you have to hold it like this. Got it? So your right hand, thumb and index finger will hold this one, and left hand, thumb and index finger will hold the right earlobe. Okay, you have to cross like this. So first with the left and then with the right hand. After holding this, then when you sit, okay, when you sit, you should not bend. You should not bend forward like this. Alright. So when you're doing the squats, you have to sit straight. Your back should be straight. Completely you have to sit. Completely you have to sit. And when you're sitting, you have to breathe inside and sit. And when you're standing up, you have to breathe outside. So this is what you have to do it. And you have to do it 21 times. Okay, 21 times will indicate 21 elements. So when they're doing it, I'll be telling it to you. Okay, so this is the procedure. And one more is, you have to cross your tongue. You have to roll your tongue inside. This is called as Kesari Mudra when you're doing this squat. Okay, like this. You have to roll your tongue like this throughout the squats when you're doing. So this is the proper procedure of doing the super brain yoga, and they will show you now. Okay, now let's start the Ganapathi Namaskara, or we also call it as a super brain yoga. Now first what you have to do is, married people will turn to north side, okay, face north side, and unmarried people will face east side. And now you have to say this shloka. Repeat with me, join your hands. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Adhya. Now say, repeat with me. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Okay, now what you have to do is, take your left hand, hold your right here. Then right hand, left here. Now when I say 1, 2, 3, okay, so each count will indicate to one element. So I'll be telling it. Then 21 times we have to do this. So 1, earth. Breathe in and sit. Breathe in and sit. Breathe out and stand up. Okay. 2, water. 3, fire. 4, air. 5, space. 6, eyes. 7, ears. 8, nose. 9, tongue. 10, skin. 11, legs. 12, excretion. 13, reproduction. 14, hands. 15, mouth. 16, vision. 17, sound. 18, smell. 19, taste. 20, touch. 21, mind. Now release your hands. Now after you do the squats, your heartbeat will be beating very fast. So when your heartbeat is more or faster, what you have to do is you have to breathe in slowly, hold the breath and then leave the breath outside. So like this you have to keep doing continuously until your heartbeat comes to normal.
Thank you for watching. We will be coming